What if I told you that one night changed everything for Sami Zayn? Raw began with Sami Zayn walking into the arena as the Undisputed WWE Champion. His scheduled opponent was Cody Rhodes, and fans were expecting one of the biggest title matches of the year. But just before the main event, shocking news broke. Cody Rhodes had been ruled out due to injury, leaving everyone wondering who would replace him. Sami Zayn didn't look worried. In fact, he appeared confident, believing that whoever stepped into the ring would fail to take away his championship. Then came the biggest surprise of the night. CM Punk returned. The arena exploded as the best in the world made his shocking comeback to challenge Sami Zayn for the Undisputed WWE Championship. As the bell rang, both superstars started cautiously, trying to outsmart each other. Sami Zayn used his speed and technical wrestling to keep CM Punk under pressure, while Punk answered back with his veteran experience and powerful strikes. The match quickly turned into a war. Sami Zayn connected with hard elbows, clotheslines, and a huge blue thunderbomb that nearly ended the match. Every time it looked like Punk was finished, he somehow found a way to survive. CM Punk fought back with running knees, a top rope elbow drop, and even locked in the Anaconda Vice, but Sami refused to give up. The champion continued to battle through the pain and even shocked everyone by hitting CM Punk with his own go-to-sleep finisher. Still, it wasn't enough. Both men exchanged everything they had left. Sami attempted the Helluva Kick to finish the match, but CM Punk avoided it. In an incredible moment, Punk answered with a Helluva Kick of his own before lifting Sami onto his shoulders and delivering a devastating go-to-sleep. The referee counted 1, 2, 3. CM Punk defeated Sami Zayn to become the new Undisputed WWE Champion. After months of fighting to reach the top, Sami Zayn's incredible championship reign came to an emotional end, while CM Punk celebrated one of the biggest victories of his WWE career as the crowd erupted. But the biggest question now is, can Sami Zayn bounce back and reclaim the championship, or has a brand new era officially begun with CM Punk? Let me know your prediction in the comments below. If you enjoyed this WWE update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest WWE news and storylines.